Oh shit, looks like the damn SUV, the orange one's fucking sliding too.
Alright, we got cars sliding down the fucking hill over there. On this shit. We got shit blocking the road out here. Let's go. Let's slide down the hill sideways. There you go. Turn the wheels this way. Come on down. And we are recording. And this is the other side. Zoom. That's another one. That's another one. That's another one. It's like something you see on TV. America's Funniest Home Videos. Hell, let's just block the whole road with a little blue one. And the white Clackmobile has been there for about 15-20 minutes. They give up on that one. Here comes another one. Oh, here we go. Alright, we're coming down the hill, Bev. Come on, you got it. There you go, I got it straight down now. There you go. Yeah, don't use your brakes, that's right. And don't hit the back of our truck. All right, lady, get over. Brr. There you go. You got it. No problem. And you got it.